how does a palindrome Turing machine works. In this video we will see another Turing machine. Here we go. First I would like to talk about what is a Turing machine. Basically, a Turing machine is a mathematical model of computation that defines an abstract machine which manipulates symbols on a strip of tape. So here is my language. 0 power n has 0 power 2n has 0 power 3n, where n is greater than equals to 1. And this input field can only take 0 and hash as an input. So let's start. I'm going to enter a string. Let's suppose 0 hash 0 0 hash 0 0 0 and see what happens.
String accepted. Congratulations.
This string is accepted. Resetting the scene again. I'm going to enter another string. Let's suppose 0 hash 0 0 0 hash 0 0. Now see what happens. As we can see, the current state, next state and operations are displayed here.
String rejected. Better luck next
So the
time.
string is rejected. Going back to the main menu.
Hello, I am Baymax, your
We will
personal
see
healthcare companion.
the
Kindly
third Turing
select
machine
one of the
in
following
next video.
languages.
Thank you.